nutshell for you. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large map, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that. I am Groot. That was the weirdest.
Oh, Christ.
Was that the thing, Dave?
The Big Bang!
Let's see, people.
You gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're rich!
You have no idea.
An instruction manual. Yeah, we get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. Milky Way just formed.
That gives me gas.
Well, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nova Team, link your Star Blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Nobody's perfect. It's EPCOT. Remind me to raise our rates. And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?